Setting up the mobile hotspot on a Galaxy S24 allows you to share your phone's internet connection with other devices. Here's how you do it. To get started, open the app drawer and tap on Settings. Next, tap on Connections to access all the wireless services on your phone. Select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, then tap on Mobile Hotspot to open its settings. Tap the network name to edit some necessary information. Here, you can change the network name to something easily recognizable and set a password you can remember. You can also switch the band from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz, but we recommend sticking with 2.4 GHz if you have older devices that need to connect to your hotspot. Security isn't a major concern, as you can quickly disable the mobile hotspot if someone connects without your permission. Once you're done configuring, tap Save. Now, you're ready to activate the mobile hotspot. Simply tap the switch at the top right corner, and your phone will start broadcasting the signal. You can now connect your other devices to the network you just created. To turn off the mobile hotspot, pull down the Quick Settings panel and tap the hotspot icon. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.